is a distinct honor, and I'm delighted to be able to present, or to be invited to present, the award for duty, the Excellence Award for Duty, to Dr. Jacob Pendergrass. Dr. Richard Ward, and Mrs. Omolola Ajasafi. These three individuals have gone on above the call of duty to improve the care and management of sickle cell disease. They have helped influence positively the standard of treatment received by individuals living with sickle cell. Most of you today do have the commemorative program, and you can read a little bit more by referring to this program about the outstanding work that these three individuals have done for the community. Ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you Dr. Pendergrass, Dr. Ward, and Mr. Jackson. It's indeed a pleasure, and I'm indeed privileged and honored to be able to present this award to you in recognition of excellence in duty. Thank you so much for caring about sickle cell disease, both gala and award, May 23rd, 2011.
And here's to all of us here tonight. And my word of admonition is for every one of us to keep on doing whatever we are doing in this noble cause. Let us all continue to do the best we can, in the very best way we can, to keep moving the cause forward. And I know that we can do it, and we all will keep on doing it. All efforts are not in vain. And one of the results is just the new Day 165, which we just heard about, and which we're all very much excited about. Let's keep on the good work, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Now Dr. Jacob Pendergrass presented to you, and thanks for your caring about sickle cell disease. It's a pleasure, Dr. Pendergrass.
It's a great honor. I thank SCAGA for the recognition, and I will say that although the award says for duty, it is no duty. It is a real privilege to be working with patients such as these who open their lives to us in clinic. I know Richard would say the same thing. It's a privilege to be working with such passionate individuals such as those at the Sickle Cell Awareness Group in Ontario. And it's a real privilege to be working in the field of sickle cell disease at this moment in history when I can sense a real palpable momentum and things are really starting to change.